Okay, aba. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, mausok. So ito yung gagawin namin. Ang problema, hindi ko nadala yung laptop ko para dito. Sana matapos namin to. Hello everyone. We will do the application of actual to check the injector, which one is damaged or which one is not working. In this situation, we already opened the cylinder head cover just to remove the bolt and nut of both injector, so it's easily to check in actual. As we can see, we remove the actually this engine is a C13. Okay. So the injector is functioning through mechanical hammer. This is the hammer. Yeah. Now I forget my laptop, so this is the way to find it out. Which injector is not functioning well, or it is not totally not function. So at this portion of this time, I would like to share to everyone for your own knowledge or anyone knowledge and how to check in actual. Don't be afraid unless you understand what you are doing. Do this type of actual testing. This is not same as a common real type, so you can find it out. It's either in injector trouble or out of the injector or something on the rocker arm. Do not remove complete, one by one. Okay, start karo. It's a little, fix little. Okay, and then after easily remove. Now we will start the engine. Safety, anything touching? No. But be careful, do not touch the stainless vehicle caterpillar. Thank you for watching.